Hey folks, welcome to another training video. We're going to be talking about the Bookmarks Gadget today. In this video, we'll discuss where to find the gadget and how to use it. The Bookmarks Gadget essentially allows you to take whatever screen you're working on in OU Campus and save it for quick reference later on. This is great for the pages that you need to update regularly, or for administrators who want to run a custom report with specific parameters selected frequently. Let's take a look. As we can see here, the Bookmarks Gadget is another one that resides on both the dashboard and on the sidebar. The dashboard may be the most convenient place from which to travel to your bookmarks, but the sidebar version of the gadget will come in handy when it's time to create more bookmarks. Let's talk about how to create bookmarks first, since as you can see, I haven't made any in my gadget yet. When it comes to what you can bookmark, the answer is basically anything. One of the most common things you'll want to bookmark is a page or other piece of content. Let's do that a few times to show how it works. I'll travel to a page in my site, then click on the Preview view in the Page Actions toolbar, and then open up my sidebar gadget and click the big green bookmark button at the bottom to bookmark this view. A bookmark will then be made, and I can rename it to something meaningful to me. Now, let's go to the dashboard and click on our bookmark to test it out. Notice how when I click on the bookmark, I'm always taken back to the preview view. What if I wanted to automatically be taken to the page properties or the edit views? Well, the Bookmarks Gadget can do that too. When I bookmark a page, I'm actually bookmarking the exact view of the page I'm on. So I have a bookmark for the preview of this page already, but now let's bookmark the page properties view. Once that's done, I can use my two bookmarks to hop between the views of the same page. Bookmarking a particular view of a page might be useful if the content inside an editable region isn't changing frequently, but perhaps a page parameter, like an image gallery or a banner image, is. I would guess that for the most part, though, you'll be bookmarking the edit view so you can jump right into the editable regions as quickly as possible. Other types of content that you might be editing frequently could include a particular asset, or perhaps just a directory inside the page's list view. You don't necessarily have to bookmark a single page. Bookmarking a subdirectory works just as well. Let's bookmark a subdirectory right here. Okay, now that we've got a few pages bookmarked, here's some other things that we can do. Make folders in our Bookmarks Gadget. Say I have a list of pages that I'm working on currently, and I want to organize them together. I can make a folder and place those bookmarks in the folder. Let's make one now and give it a name, and then we'll take our existing pages and then put them in the folder. Alright, awesome. Remember, if I need to edit my bookmarks at any other time in the future, I can just hover over any of the bookmarks and click the pencil icon to update its name, click the X icon to delete the bookmark, or click and drag the bookmark to reorder it in the gadget. Lastly, you can see that we've got this filter bar here that allows us to filter down which bookmarks we want to see according to its title. This is helpful, especially if you have quite a few bookmarks. Alright, so that covers the main functionality of the gadget. Let's really quickly look at some of the other places that you might find bookmarks useful. We've already talked about the pages list view, so let's cover some administrative areas that could benefit from bookmarks. If you're a level 10 administrator, you'll be fairly familiar with how much information is available in the setup menu. Perhaps if I need to edit a site's settings, I can bookmark that site's settings page so I don't need to make several mouse clicks in order to get to this screen. Also, bookmarking reports, especially custom reports, is super useful. Say I want to run a custom report. Custom reports, as you probably know, have a bunch of checkboxes that I can use to customize what data appears when I run the report. With the Bookmarks Gadget, I can essentially select my parameters, run the report, and then bookmark the report results. Then, in the future, if I want to run that same custom report again, I don't need to go back to custom reports, remember which checkboxes I had selected, and then manually select them and run the report. I can just click my bookmark, and the report will rerun with the same parameters I initially selected. This is a great time saver. I can even bookmark the same custom report several times with different parameters selected, so I can gather different sets of data that could be useful in different situations. There might be other situations where you'll find bookmarks are especially useful for your school, but we've covered the main ones here today. Just to recap, here are the important things to remember about the Bookmarks Gadget. First of all, the gadget is shown on the dashboard and on the sidebar. Bookmarking pages or other screens is very easy, and you can rename the bookmarks you make in the gadget. Bookmarks can be arranged into folders and filtered using the gadget as well. Finally, remember that the bookmarks present in the gadget are the ones that you make. Bookmarks are not shared across users, so get out there and start bookmarking some screens in OU campus. Thanks for watching.